Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Torrential rains that flushed Manado, Indonesia for 4 days caused floods that destroyed homes, claimed lives, and destroyed bridges and roads. The National Disaster Mitigation Agency reports that there are 15 people dead, 5 missing and approximately 50,000 displaced. In addition to the damage inflicted in the major city of Manado, the flooding also affected Jakarta, Bandung, Samarinda, Padang, Palu, and Pekalongan, the coast cities of northern Java Island. Floods hit most areas of Manado City, North Sulawesi, after heavy rains flushed from last night to Friday morning. Flash floods hit 8 sub-districts in Manado City after heavy rains hit the area. Basarnas Manado is currently down to the location to evacuate affected residents. Based on the analysis of the potential for ground movement for January 2023 from the Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation, the Manado City area has the potential for medium to high ground movement in several sub-districts. Manado City was identified as having a moderate to high landslide hazard potential in 7 sub-districts. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.